In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Now hold the brightness slider and this way get this pop-up. To enable or disable adaptive brightness, use this switcher right next to it and hit Done to save your changes. Now, if you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll to tap on Display section available here, and when you're ready, operate this switcher next to adaptive brightness to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!